Here we have a big square ABCD with the side of 1. Inside of that big square we have two circles, or more like quarter circles. There's blue one here and blue one here. And inside of those circles and the square there's a yellow square, EFGH. And we ask to find the area of the square. First of all, notice that the points B, G, and D lay on the same circle that has a center at the point A. So the radius of the circle will be 1. So AB will be equal to AG and equal to AD and equals to 1. The next thing, we're going to denote the side of the small square as X. And also the segment AE and segment DH as Y. Well, those two segments are actually equal to each other, and that really comes from the symmetry of this problem. Whole picture is symmetric with respect to the vertical line that goes through the center of the big square. So now notice that AD, which is equal to 1, equals to Y plus X plus Y. And from this expression, we can find Y as a function of X. The next thing is to look at the triangle AGH, which is a right triangle. And for the right triangle, we know Pythagorean theorem. Again, notice that AG equals to 1, AH equals to Y plus X, and GH equals to X. Also notice we have an expression for Y via X, and we're going to substitute this expression into this equation right here. And if we do, we're going to get this equation for X. We're going to open the parentheses, combine the like terms, and we're going to get a quadratic equation for X. That equation can be easily solved. Just to remind you, if we have a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants, are numbers. In this case, this equation has two solutions that could be found using this formula. In our case, a is 5/4, b is 1/2, and c is -3/4. We can substitute these values into this formula, and we're going to get two answers. One is x equals to -1, and the other is x equals to 3/5. Now remember that x is the side of the square, so it cannot be negative. So we found that there's only one reasonable value for x, and that is 3/5. Now we know that the area of the yellow square will be x squared, which is 9/25.